Yep, this is a memorial dedicated to all the men that have committed suicide due to the failure of the family law, due to the preservation of the status quo that is actually the residential school system. The residential school system is well and alive. It's preserved by all the justices, especially the ones that are Roman Catholic, Irish, which have preserved the evils of the residential schools within the very laws. The laws of the land are the residential school system. The status quo is the residential school system. And this is right over here with all these people. Right over there is the courthouse. Right over there is the cop's house. And right behind this is the MPP, Bob Bailey's office. The man, all these people are to blame for the failure of family law, for the perpetuation of the residential school system in family law. We are going to have a hunger strike and get justice. Class action lawsuit is coming, sir. We really can't put up with this boobly-goobly anymore. This total failure of justice, failure of everything, the perpetuation of family law. Our children are being trafficked. Our youth are failing to opioid crisis. Why? Because of this, because of the failure and the perpetuation of the status quo, which is indeed the insidious residential school
So, ladies and gentlemen,
system.
welcome
This is a
to the
memorial
Purple
dedicated
Pages
to all the men that
of
have committed suicide.
frank, fair, forthright, realistic appraisal and review of legal professionals in our area. When you are in need of a legal representation, it's very hard to find out who is real and who is not, and who is working, who has a comprehension about the best interest of the child, and who hates your children. So this is an attempt to bring to you clarity in making your decision, in getting representation in any kind of matters, because after 16 years at the bench, you realize it is not about the truth. The truth can go fuck itself. The truth, what is the truth? Truth is like, who gives a damn about the truth? Who gives a damn about the interest of the child? Only thing that we care about is perspective, about misleading, about raising technical issues, about circumnavigating the law, about finding loopholes in the law. That is what the law is. That is what the feel of the law is. It is to find workarounds the law, to find exceptions in the law, to rely on past judgments that are close to your thing, that can be used and abused to get you off the hook. The law is not about upholding society. The law is not about caring about the good benefit of the society. The law is all about, if you got the money, if you belong to a segment of society that has a sway. So, ladies and gentlemen, today I present to you Mr. Mark Simpson. He practices in London, Ontario, and all over. He practices from Thunder Bay right up to Senior. He spreads himself very thin. He doesn't really care. He's not going to reel anybody's file. He knows exactly what to say. He's a master. You should get him if you are into human trafficking. You must get him on your team.